Okay, so this has been going on for 2 hours. They honked like nuts when I came out here. And they've been screaming and yelling. It's pretty stupid. And this is in the detail shop corner of Jenkins Chevrolet. And it's been going back and forth to my home, back and forth to my home, back and forth, just circle and circle, and then rev out, circle and circle and rev out. Going on for hours and then just hours. Don't go on the road, don't go anyplace else, just go here. There's no peace and serenity. They've destroyed it here, these people. They don't have places to go, so they do that in the back of here. It's quite the situation. I'll just give you a better view. Better view. Give you a better view. There you go, enjoy it. Okay, so the one who is standing up, now they're standing up on the motorcycle. A full stand up right through there with the red and black clothes. That, I can't believe a multi-billion-dollar corporation wants people running motorcycles, standing up, doing tricks. I mean, they're already racing the back. They race back there now. They race in and out. They excessively speed on the street. This goes on for 3-4 hours. It's the new thing they do. I didn't know they were standing up. And as a non-emergency medical transporter, someone who's been in the sciences, owned a small non-emergency medical transport company, that made me puke sick. That they're just stupid. That's a multi-billion-dollar corporation, Jenkins on the back of Skyway and on Highway 19. Multi-billion-dollar corporation has a couple young guys on motorcycles. Winding out and standing up and riding motorcycles standing up. That's freaky. Dangerous. That makes me so sick. They go down, all I can do is call 911 for them to get help. I can't go over there and try to save people that are in groups doing extremely dangerous things on the business of Jenkins Chevrolet in Homosassa. Holy freak. I went from annoyed to very physically sick. I spent my life volunteering in the sciences, in helping people. Whether I was doing math or actually working in the sciences at the hospitals, volunteering or doing non-emergency transport. I left the pre-med classes at Central Michigan University. I could not handle the blood organ morgue. I just got sick. And I could not handle holding the entire inside of a mouth clamped open for surgery on the upper jawbone. I had to ask for help be removed. I made it to hold it long enough for someone else to take over. And I went outside the doors. I just remember hitting the cold of the outside double doors, going to the right and sliding down the wall in the sweat, passing out, holding my head between my hands so if I was puking, I wouldn't asphyxiate. I'll tell you what I don't like to see. I don't like to see anybody get hurt. I just hope, I pray for those young people, how angry they are, or how that they don't have any place else to go, or that a lot of their joy is hanging out in the back and doing those things. It was bad enough seeing excessive speed in that short amount of speed in circles, but now to know that they're standing up and riding